Okay, y'all. So I bought the JBL Clip series speaker. This is a case that is actually made specifically for this make and model of speaker. It is by a different company. I think it's called Shell Cases, but they are specifically made and geared towards JBL products. So I really do like that this exists because this is a really nice, kind of more expensive speaker, and so it deserves to be, you know, protected. So this is kind of a nice little hard shell case. This is what the actual speaker looks like. Again, it's sort of like palm size. I don't have huge hands, but it's sort of palm size. The carabiner clip on it is really nice. It is metal. This side of the clip is sort of covered in like silicone. And the back has sort of this nice little rash guard so that when it is hanging from something, it's not rubbing the surface of the actual speaker itself. So that's kind of nice that they thought to do that. The power button and blue light is, or Bluetooth is here, and then on the front is the kind of pause, play, and the volume control. The charging is down here, and it does come with the C USB capability, which kind of I think all the new phones and everything has been upgraded to C. Otherwise, yeah, it's really good. It's fantastic. It's cute. It's functional. I really like the colors too that it comes in. I specifically got this one just because I thought it was kind of cute and unique. The case itself just kind of complements it. The cases that these come in too also match the speaker colors. So this is actually to go with the turquoise speaker. However, I got it more to kind of complement and accent the teal on the front of this one, just because I thought it was kind of cute. So anyway, the speaker is fantastic. I recommend it. It's probably my favorite JBL speaker that I've ever purchased, and I give them 100% thumbs up, 5-star rating. For sure, would recommend and would buy again.
Okay, my honest review. Like I said in my text review, my husband has what I think is called the pill, or maybe that's a Beats thing, I don't know, but it's the long skinny one. It's a cylinder. So I went ahead and just ordered this JBL since his sounded so good. It's pretty self-explanatory. I mean, you got your clip, you got your on-off button, your Bluetooth on-off button, you've got your sound down, sound up, play, pause, and if you hit it twice, it goes to the next song. It charges very quickly. It does come with a charger. It is super cute. It is the size of my hand. Through the video, you can't really hear the bass as much, but in person, I promise you, when I tell you this thing is loud, it is exactly what you want it to be. It is compact, it is powerful, it's incredible. 10 out of 10.
So this is the JBL Clip 4. It's pretty loud, it has pretty good sound. It's Type C. It comes with a JBL Type C cable and a little pamphlet about JBL. It has pretty good sound. It is a clip. There's different covers. I have a Mercedes Sprinter and I like to clip it right here. It holds pretty nice because Sprinters don't have that good car audio. It has a 10 hours of battery life, pretty good. It has pretty good connectivities. How you use it is you just press the power button right here and it'll make that sound. It'll come on and then you press Bluetooth. You don't have to if you don't want to. And you just press Bluetooth. Bluetooth should come on. You can pause it. You can put volume up, volume down.
your wife in Vegas, but I hit her in the beat.
Is a kill, so I'm going home. I'm going home. No water, ass in the sand, not a worry in a world. A cold beer in my hand, life is good. Adios and bye, con
Pretty good.
Be happy with today's effort. That's make a much later tea time for him tomorrow.
Again, 45 out yesterday, came home in 33.
Just see me and that's just that on that. Stay down 10 toes, I'm a real bitch. I don't play around and walk in and kill shit.